time to get creative in the kitchen and make some scrummy rice paper roll sea cucumbers. They are such a fascinating animal because they live right at the bottom of the ocean on the sea floor. Depending on the species, they can be all sorts of different colours like pink, white striped, and even spotted. So that's why we've got lots of different coloured veggies and ingredients in our rice paper rolls. And to make these, you will need some spring onions, 1/4 cup of mint, coriander or basil or just a mixture, 2 lettuce leaves, 1 avocado, 1/2 cup of carrot, 1/2 cup of celery stalks, 1/2 cup of cucumber, 2 red capsicums and 1/4 cup of roast peanuts, also some rice paper wrappers and some soy sauce. Here's how you do it. Over here I've just got a pan, bog standard pan, and I've just put my tap on hot and filled it up halfway, so it's well warm enough to put your hands in. It's kind of just like a spa pool temperature. Now we'll get our rice paper roll kind of papers, and they look like this, and they're a bit hard like this when we first get them out of the packet, and then we're going to submerge them in this water, and then they're going to go really soft. So while we're doing that, make sure you've pre-chopped all your veggies like I have, and I've only got one thing to go, and that is my avocado. Let's see if this is going to be a goodie. Here it is. Oh, that is a good avocado. Don't you love it when that happens? Okay, slice it down the middle, then take it back and then peel off that skin and pop that over there. And then chop, 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 chop in whatever way you want. And then we'll pop that over there as well. Okay. Now that we've got all of our ingredients prepped, I'll just move that aside. Let's check on our rice paper. Okay, so you'll see here now that, oh yeah, when I lift it up, it's like this. It's like a big sheet. Now grab a bit of water, kind of wet your surface because this will stop it from sticking to your board. Another thing you can do is just get a kind of a damp tea towel and lay it on your bench. Okay, so once that's there, then we grab a bit of each of everything. I'm gonna take some lettuce, pop that there, carrot, some celery, all the good veggies, and this will be super extra healthy for you because they're raw and uncooked, which gives heaps of nutrition in there. Pack it on up, get the cucumber, get the avocado. Oh, the avocado's slippery. Chuck that on, spring onions, chopped peanuts. Alrighty. Let's go. Now, take this end and then kind of pop that there, and you're going to fold it up kind of like a burrito. And we're going to tuck that in. And then tuck that side in like that. And tuck it in nice and tight, don't be scared. Get in there and roll it up like that. And then pop that on your little serving platter, and there's your little sea cucumber. Dip it in some soy sauce and you're good to go. You could try these on the whole whānau this weekend. Each recipe is enough to make 6 rolls. Remember, Food for Thought is in schools all over New Zealand teaching Kiwis how to make sure the food that we eat gives us the best energy and vitamins for the whole whānau.